If your walls have an uncommon shape and you can't find it in the room templates, we can use the wall command to draw it. Let's say we want to draw a workspace that has both regular and irregular angled walls like this. To draw this workspace quickly and flawlessly, we need to have measurements from the walls with irregular angles. If we have all the measurements, we can press the wall button to begin drawing the walls. First, we will choose a starting point for our wall. By moving the mouse upwards, typing 200 on the keyboard and pressing enter, we give the wall a length of 200 centimeters in the direction we're pointing at. This first line will be the inner side of the wall. When we draw a wall for the first time, the program will ask whether the outer side of the wall stands on the right or the left. Let's choose the left side. Let's continue drawing the walls. By default, the program is set to tracking every 45-degree angle when drawing the walls. So when we point our cursor close to a direction that is 45 degrees or its multipliers, the program will automatically regard it as such. We can change these values by right-clicking the polar option at the bottom and clicking on Settings. Here we can change the increment angle to whichever degree and its multipliers we want the program to track. We can also toggle this tracking on or off with the F10 button on the keyboard. However, as we don't know the exact angle of the wall we're going to draw now, we want the program to calculate it for us. So let's choose the Calculate option here. Let's enter the length of the wall. Now let's choose the reference corner for our diagonal scale and enter the length for our reference. Let's have the program calculate this next angle too. Calculation of the program always finds 2 points of intersection. This isn't the right one, so let's switch to the other one. And we are done. Once I give these measurements to the program, it will draw the walls without a mistake. Taking the right measurements from the right points and implementing them in the drawing is the most vital part of this work. This is the easiest and safest way to both measure and draw these harder to draw spaces.